Okay, guys, I'll be showing us how to earn from our you post earnings. Now, look at this dashboard. It's displaying $6. So, how to get your daily $1.4? All you have to do is to click on the drop down menu. All right, click on the drop down menu. Click on you post. And click on you post. Allow it to load. All you have to do is to click to like you post on YouTube. And also click to like.
Why are you here?
A kì í dàgbà ju fún tí a kò bá mọ̀. No one is ever too old to learn what he or she does not know. Now, this is the meaning to that.
Go back to your page. Also click on the YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. Then go back and click here to earn. Once it has refreshed, you can go back to your dashboard. Tada! $1.4 added to your post earning. So that's how I do that every day.